How does Remitly work? Transfer money. Sending money internationally used to mean long waits, high fees, and lots of paperwork. But now, thanks to digital platforms like Remitly, transferring money across borders has become faster, easier, and safer than ever before. In this video, we'll break down how Remitly works, step by step. Whether you're sending money to family, paying for services abroad, or just exploring your options, you'll learn exactly how Remitly operates and why it's become a go-to choice for millions around the world. And if you're wondering about fees, delivery speed, or how safe it really is, stick around, because we cover all that too. What is Remitly? Remitly is an international money transfer service that lets people in over 20 countries like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia send money to over 100 countries worldwide. Its focus? Speed, transparency, and low fees. With Remitly, you can send money using a bank account, debit card, or credit card. The recipient can receive it directly to their bank account, mobile wallet, or even pick it up in cash, depending on the country. Now, let's see how it works from start to finish. Step 1. Create an account. The first step is to sign up on the Remitly website or mobile app. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, email, phone number, and home address. For security and compliance reasons, Remitly may also ask for photo ID or proof of address, especially for higher transfer amounts. It's a quick and free process most. Users are verified within minutes. Step 2. Choose the destination and delivery method. Next, select the country you want to send money to. Remitly will show you all available delivery options for that country, which might include bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, home delivery in some countries. You'll also see the current exchange rate, delivery speed options, and any associated fees up front. Step 3. Enter the recipient's information. Now it's time to provide the details of the person receiving the money. Depending on the delivery method, this might include full name matching their ID, bank account number, mobile wallet number, pickup location for cash transfers. Make sure this info is accurate. Errors can cause delays or failed transfers. Step 4. Choose how you'll pay. Remitly gives you flexible payment options. Bank account, usually lowest fees. Debit card, faster processing. Credit card may come with extra charges. You'll enter your payment details securely through their encrypted platform. Step 5. Select transfer speed. Remitly typically offers two options. Express. Funds arrive within minutes, ideal for emergencies. Slightly higher fees. Economy. Lower fees, but delivery may take 3-5 business days. Best for non-urgent transfers. Both options are trackable from the app or website. Step 6. Confirm and send. Before sending, you'll get a full breakdown of exchange rate, fees, exact amount the recipient will receive. Once you confirm, Remitly processes the payment and notifies both you and the recipient. Is Remitly safe? Yes, Remitly is a regulated financial service provider, and they use bank-level encryption, two-factor authentication, and real-time fraud monitoring. You'll also get notifications at every step, so you always know where your money is. Final thoughts. Remitly is all about making international money transfers simple, fast, and transparent. With clear pricing, multiple delivery options, and real-time tracking, it's become one of the most trusted names in global remittances. Have you used Remitly before? What was your experience like? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this video helped you understand how it works, don't forget to give it a like.